You must be contactable by mobile phone.
Give me a running shift then.
You should give yourself a running shift.
We've got standbys.
And we will ensure that you are there.
I'll be there somewhere.
And contactable.
Yeah, two-way radio. Much rather that.
Okay.
Hey, I understand that.
Go out with fun. Where are you supposed to be?
Just as employee standby piece on the shift day.
Employee.
Yeah, that's all they say. It's supposed to be manually written apparently. From sources that have informed me of the like. I'm not.
Yeah, I would do that. When I was doing paperwork, I go to George and said, where are they standby at? I put paperwork together, just said standby, go where? I said,
Yeah, I sent him that the other day. I said, where am I standby at? He goes, refer to Excel Excel spreadsheet. You only sent the PDF.
oh, yeah.
Whereabouts are you staying? Whereabouts are you guys? The one I used to be recorded. Whereabouts are you?
Chatswood Uni.
Say hi. Like Chatswood.
Just park on the other side of the...
I'll park at the Forest bus stop.
Yeah,
change.
stand seat, please.
Oh, so we don't know what's his name. Rod.
No, he's down in Victoria.
The radio go, oh fuck.
You reversed into what? What?
Seatbelt.
That's it, Paul Gearbox.
Probably get out of Decker.
Now that I've given everyone shit, I better not drive.
It's good going up the